Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today, first time with a microphone, so please let me know in the comments how you like it. If you can hear me well, if I talk too fast or stuff like that. I tend to talk too fast, so it may be a problem. So today we are going to check out some hotels. In this area there are some hotels that have been abandoned. I found it interesting. I think it would be a great idea to check them out. Today the weather is bad, so I think it kind of makes it better for atmosphere. So this hotel is the first one. I'm not sure if this one is abandoned or not. Okay guys, we're going in. So this goes to the one hotel and this Silk Road, and the other goes, okay, let's go first. I'm not sure if this Silk Road hotel is actually working. I mean, it's actually still running, but we check. As you can see, the road is not really in great conditions. Oh, okay, so this is the first one. This hotel is the name. I cannot see. Maybe you guys can see better than me. This one is the first hotel. I think it's a love hotel, this one too. So for those kind of stuff, if you know what I mean. From the picture I've seen, it was not closed yet. So maybe they recently closed it. I think way too many people went inside. Ooh, that's kind of spooky. Hotel Irashaimase, welcome. Okay, so I hope I don't run into crazy homeless people or bears. I don't know which one is more scary. I would say the bear. Okay, here the road has been closed. Okay, here on the sign it says please only adult people, not less than 18 years old. So I think it correct my assumption that these were love hotels. So please don't throw away garbages. This is the kind of street that if you go on Google Map, there is no street view for. So okay, this is one hotel. I think people have been throwing trash here. Yes. Ooh, kinda spooky. I'm not sure. I think it was some hotel. Maybe it crashed, it collapsed. Oof. Okay. Okay, so Swan Hotel is this way. My God, I am not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. One shoe. Okay guys, let's check this out. I'm a little scared. So there is one shoe. This is the entrance. Oh, there are lemons. Oh, there is nothing. Ooh, pretty spooky. No. I'll just leave. Okay, but this is one. I think this is maybe the one we'll be able to get closest. Let's see where this road leads though, because I don't know. So as you see, people have been illegally throwing away stuff here that they can't recycle. Let's see where this road leads. I have not encountered any human in the last 20 minutes, so I hope it keeps being this way, to be honest. The road at least is in good conditions. I mean, it's still paved road, so oh my God, this is scary. I don't wanna fall down there. Okay, let's close the visor. I actually found a website with all these kind of abandoned places. So when I was checking the map, I saw that in this area there are plenty of these kind of hotels. We just passed through 3 or 4. So if Google Maps is correct, this road doesn't lead anywhere. Okay, one tree here fell down and completely destroyed the fence. Okay. Good. Okay, we keep going up. I tried watching also on the aerial view on Google Maps, because these places are not tracked. But as you can see, it's pretty hard to see, so I just saw trees. nothing more. This kind of place that if you fall down, probably nobody's gonna find you for years. But if you're watching this video, it means I did not fall down. I didn't expect this road to be this long. On Google Maps I could not see it going this way up. But I think there have been people here because as you can see in the middle, there are two ways where the cars have probably passed, and now there are no leaves. So, oh, what is this? I don't know. Sketchy. But so far so good. Okay, now the leaves are getting pretty plenty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, okay. Oh shit. Oh! Oh yeah. Fuck. Ouch. Jesus. Okay, this happened. I think I lost my grip here. Okay, but I am fine. Mostly. Now I have to pick this up. I hope I didn't damage my bike too much. Here it is. A Charlotte. Wow. Ho fatto I danni. Man, I think I don't think it was meant this way. Man, fuck it. Let's go back home. Okay, so I broke the lever and some more stuff. Nope, never again. And now I have to be extra careful not to fall down again. Jesus, it could have been bad. Okay. Main damage is this broken guy. So I broke. Oh no, this is not broken. This one was. Yes, it was probably right. Yes. This is okay. This pad is okay. This is not okay. This like oh wait. I think yes, I don't think I hit it here. This is not okay. I will not be able to bend it. This is not okay. This did your job. So good job. You did your job. So I wanna say lucky? I don't know. Not sure. I can't wait for all my friends to say, I told you, Bert, I told you. You shouldn't have done this, but yeah, probably. Okay, we managed to arrive at the dealer, at the Honda Dream, and it was quite tough because the lever on the left side is broken, and since it's broken, it was really hard to move from second gear to third gear. I don't know, from first to second it was okay, but from second to third I had to move up and left my foot in a very strange motion, but I managed to arrive. It was less than 1 hour, so it was kind of okay, not too far. Now they're gonna check the damages and let me know the prices and everything, and so I can check which one to fix. We're back. We just went to eat something at McDonald's, my guilty pleasure, and now we're going back home. The result is this part was bent and they fixed it. I thought they would just, change it, but they fixed it, so good. This part was bent too. They fixed it too. And luckily this part, this is job, the cage, let's say. Let's do it this way. It protected the main body. It's just dirt, but luckily it was not damaged. So it touched the here and also here. I'm not sure if you can see, but this actually is pretty rough on the bottom, but I mean that's what it's for, so can't complain. It did its job very well, and it prevented the engine from being touched, let's say. So yeah, overall not too bad, not too shabby. Could have been way worse. I spent for the lever and to fix the bent this part, the side stand and the clutch pedal, I spent 2,500 yen, and that's around $20, I guess. Not too bad. I expected way worse. So now we're going back home. My gloves are a little dirty. The bike is dirty. I don't think it's just because I dropped it. That part is just dirt. I will have to clean the chain and lube it again. This is dirt. Oh, now luckily it's getting a little bit more dry, so it's easier to clean. Before it was just mud, so it was pretty hard. Me, I don't have any special pain, just the knee, maybe a knee a little. We'll see, they always say you feel it the next day, so for now it's kinda okay. We'll feel it tomorrow and see how it goes. Before I got it fixed, it was quite hard to arrive here. I had to move the foot in this way, so up and then left. So yeah, to finish this video, all in all I cannot complain. It was a very cheap lesson to learn to be more careful, and hope you guys can learn something from it too. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching up until this moment, and see you next time. Ciao!